What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today, as you can see in front of me, we have got the ingredients for what's going to be breakfast wrap this morning. Now, breakfast wrap's dead simple, they're dead easy to make, but what's going to make the difference with this one is going to be the feta cheese that we're putting in it. Trust me, you might not think of feta cheese with like bacon and egg or breakfast or anything like that, but honestly, the flavour that the feta cheese gives it is to die for. So we're going to get cracking straight in. We're just going to cook this up. I'm going to keep the camera over the pan so you can see everything that I'm doing, and then we're going to have a look at it at the end. Right, first off, I've got these Durham wheat wraps. Okay, now these are absolutely gorgeous, but I would normally use, just open this packet, I would normally use like one bigger wrap, but we haven't got any, so I'm just going to use two of these and make like a top and bottom wrap. But what you want to do is get these in the pan, just warm them through a little bit, because otherwise if you don't, when you go to fold them when they're cold and they've got food on them, they have a tendency to like crack and break, but again, just brings the flavour out a bit more. There we go. They don't need warming through for long. It's literally just to make them, give them a soft texture instead of that sort of crumbly texture that they've got. Right, now, bacon time. This is literally up to you, but however much bacon you put in your pan, it's completely your choice. I normally go for probably 3 rashers in the pan. You can add more if you want, obviously, in the pan, but to me, 3 is absolutely plenty. You don't need any more than that. Any more and you kind of just being greedy, which I'm not going to lie, I do like to be greedy every now and again. Now, the thing obviously with this wrap, like I say, I know breakfast wraps are they're quite simple. You can kind of personalise them however you want, but I don't understand why we don't use feta cheese more in this country, because in the UK we love a good cheese. We do like cheese in a lot of stuff, but it never seems to be feta cheese. And I can't tell you the flavour that comes out of the feta cheese in this. It's almost got like a tangy sort of flavour to it, and it is absolutely to die for. So, promise you, if you get a chance, give this one a go. And the beauty about this one is, it doesn't take long at all. Most breakfast foods don't, I'll be honest with you. What always sort of frustrates me a little bit about breakfast, a lot of people claim that they've not got time to make themselves a decent breakfast, and they end up just shoving the nearest thing that's in the cupboard down the throat in the morning, and then they wonder why they struggle when they get up in the morning and start off the day and whatever. This is dead simple. Right, so I'm going to plate this up onto the wrap. Just like that. And then we're going to turn the pan right down for our eggs. I'm going to go ahead and put some beef dripping in the pan. Put the eggs in. Absolutely gorgeous. Best way to cook your food is that beef dripping. Now, while we're waiting for that dripping just to melt, what we're going to do, while we're just waiting for that beef dripping to melt, what we're going to do now with this feta, I'm going to go ahead and get it cut up. Now literally cut it however you want, crumble it, put it in strips, And then you are going to just put it all over the bacon. Okay, the reason why I do it now is I just like to get a little bit of warmth through it from that bacon while the eggs are cooking. I like a lot of feta cheese, but put as much in it as you want. Just get that off there, get that in. Waste not, want not, and all that. Now really, I should have done the bacon and the beef dripping as well. Honestly, beef dripping, beef tallow, whatever you call it, is the best thing to cook your food in. I don't care what anybody says, it is the best thing to cook your food in. And it gives everything a nice crispiness as well, but because it's got such a high heat point, it can withstand anything that you're going to cook it in. Anything that you're going to cook, whether it's eggs on low or something that really needs searing really high, beef drippings, it's so universal. Not flipping my eggs, I don't like to flip them. I literally just like to splash the yolk. Just like that. Just like that. And then it's literally as simple as stacking it up. And there we go. Now, I'm doing this so that it looks pleasurable for the camera, but get your yolks breaked up. You can just do that when the wrap's on the top if you want, but this is absolutely to die for. I'm going to get the top put on, okay? That's it in. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. Now, I can tell you that'll be one of the nicest breakfast wraps you'll ever have. Dead quick, dead simple, doesn't take a lot of ingredients, but honestly, get some feta cheese in the fridge. Not Greek style salad cheese, proper feta cheese. Get it in the fridge, get some in your breakfast food, and you won't look back. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Don't forget, hit all the buttons, subscribe to the channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about it. See you next time.